this is Mad with me at 66 Rock with another video. Today in this video, I am giving you a step-by-step with my baby brother, Mr. Babies. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a microwavable chimichanga. Woohoo! I know. I just like doing food tutorials sometimes. On my old channel, I did. I made how to make grilled cheese, how to make hot chocolate, a lot of things. Anyway, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get your chimichanga here. See? You gotta take just a long piece of just this with some material that I forget the name of.
Paper towel.
Paper towel, yeah, I knew that. And you just wrap it in this to make it look beautiful, like a packaged baby or a wet diaper. And then we go back to the wrapper because I have no idea what I'm doing. And then we realize that it does not tell us what to do on that. How long do you microwave it for?
60 minutes each. Or not 60 minutes, 60 seconds each side.
Then we microwave it 60 seconds on each side alone, eh? Let's put it in here.
Yeah.
Perfection. And we shut the microwave. And go for 60. Let me just make sure you guys see that. 60 seconds right there. You see that? Right now we got 60 seconds. We press this button I like to call the start button.
And then you wait back.
And then we wait. I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back. And now we must flip it. Now, let me just tell you. We're gonna need
You're not gonna need that. No,
we're gonna need it, Delaney. We're gonna need it. Watch.
You don't need to do that, guys.
Alright, so we need to have safety. Unless you want to burn your fingers.
Either is mine. I was perfectly fine.
Yeah, I have sensitive fingers. If you have sensitive fingers, then use it. If you don't, then get sensitive fingers so you can use it. And now we shut the microwave.
Thumb Jackson's orange juice.
Oh wait, am I coming back? Simply do 60 seconds. Let's start again. We did it.
All right.
And now we just wait. I'll be right back when the 60 seconds are done.
Wait.
All right, everybody, I am back. And we are done with the microwaving process. You open it up. Now, I'm going to be doing a challenge that may be dangerous, so don't try this at home.
Eat all of those.
Use an oven mitt. If you don't have an oven mitt, have your sister do it. If you don't have a sister, then you can have mine.
Or you could just make your little brother do it.
Here we go, guys.
I'm kidding. You should never do that.
Okay. Oh, hey.
Finally.
And then we take it over here. And we'll put it down where we're going to be eating. Oh, yes, guys. I forgot to tell you.
No, you did not throw it around.
It's going to be gift wrapped. Watch. Just got to be skillful in the gift wrapping. There we go. Perfect gift wrapping. And if you have a dog that's about to eat it, just go. He'll probably lick you in the face, but don't worry. By the way, this is my dog if you've never met him. Now, real quick, I'm going to go teach you how to make a drink to go along with that.
Don't make my head please. That's the drumstick.
I'll be right back. We're using Manny Petty's famous tea. Now, to do this, you open it, a cabinet, and that sass, I recommend you go sit your booty down.
It's so
She be sassing me.
Sorry.
Put that back up. Shut it. Pour it. Pour it enough so you get a lot. Then we take it over to the fridge. we open the fridge and we put it in. Wherever it fits. Where it may fit. And then we get our cotton fridge. And it will hurt at the beginning. Oh, I just lost my knee for a second. Okay. The kitchen is dangerous. It's very dangerous. Okay. Just hurt my elbow and my knee. I don't even know how I hurt my knee. Now it is time for the taste test. Did I do good? My taste test. No. So how you eat it? Supposed to eat it like a taco, but it's too hard. You eat it like you have taco on a stick. That's how you do it. Or you could just cut pieces into it, but no, it does things complicated. I'm different. I find different ways. Me too. Remember today? Not really. Keep drinking your prune juice. See how good that is? Do it. No. Yeah. But I got the one with blood in it.
Okay.
She got the one with the mint.
Keep drinking. Keep drinking.
Face down.
Keep drinking. You can drink again. I know. I'm so sorry, baby.
I'm filming.
It's like medicine.
It's as thick as blood.
What is it?
It's gross.
Like, what's the...
Prune juice? It's prune juice. Like the same exact brand as regular prunes. This is something.
Then no more petals.
Hey guys, Crazy Candy Girl. And I am eating a drumstick. And that's Jackson. And I have hacked Noah.
What you doing?
That's right. Wait, what? Nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna be having a drumstick too, guys. Same one. Thanks for watching this video on how to make a whatever I just made. And I will chimichanga. And I will see you guys back later. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and go to subscribe to little Crazy Panda Girls channel. Very little. Yeah, I explained.
Did you eat, baby?
Bye.